Sorry I've subjected you guys to hours of trying to take one photo. You see this wall behind me? This, it's quite far away. It's a white wall, it's a dry wall. Number two dry wall. L36 brackets. And I-shaped support beams behind it. And then within it, you got the flexi bend wires that make up the electrical, and then, you know, there's pipes running through and stuff. Anyway, all of that is describing my new house. I just moved to a new place. It's a new house and a new location. So that's very exciting for everyone involved in living in this house, which is me, my wife, my daughter, and my dog. So that's cool. For now, I'm not gonna spend any more time talking about the house. The video is about my New York City photo walk, the latest of which that's going to be released today, right now. You're in the moment. We're here together. This is photo walk number 3 of the photo walks I will be sharing. And there will be one more, assuming everything goes well and I don't lose all my footage. For this one, I was taking photos almost the entire time of what I now know as Trinity Church. I was walking down what I now know as Wall Street for a majority of the time as well. So we're on Wall Street, we're looking at Trinity Church. It was shady that day. It generated some rather moody photos, and I had a lot of fun. So I hope you have a lot of fun watching as well. Thank you so much for checking this one out for my new house. And I'll be not giving away that. I do have a lot of these. I bet I could give these away. All right, hi friends. This evening, I'm going on a photo walk. It's going to be a quick photo walk, unless I get too much into the mood. If I decide, wow, this is going well, and I'm going to not eat dinner with my wife, then I will do that. It is a cold, windy day, and I'm going into a very shadowy area, moving towards the stock exchange. Okay. Wow, that's interesting. Smells a little bit like weed. Excuse me, sorry. That girl is standing up to the man. Their stock's being exchanged. That's for sure. That's one thing we can know about this current moment and this current location. Coffee and cocktails. The 2 C's of nutrition. Just in case you want to see how tall these buildings are. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Crouch down, see if that helps us out. Let's go let's move forward, because I think I'll be able to get away from some of these signs. Wow, wow, wow. This is pretty. This is very pretty. Kind of working the angles here. I like all these people gathered around. Puts me in a bit of a strange angle. There's a lamppost in the way. Okay, this is the angle we want. Can I go closer? Or do I go further? What else can I do here? I'm struggling a bit, guys. Ooh, okay, we have a truck coming. Because the angle this is the angle. If I move too far to the side, the angle kind of loses it. Okay, so this truck coming, I think, will help us out. I wonder if I can go to F9. And then, yeah. Oh. There we go. Oh. Nah, that last one went. Okay. Oh, we got some bursts on the headlights. That's fun. Should have gone full F22 action. Yeah, we have the environment. It's just organizing everything in the foreground. Lots of beautiful buildings here in this area. Don't you cry, no. All right, I'm gonna tilt it up, get the street out, see how that goes. Okay, let's go back down this way. I'm not liking the foreground environment. Okay. Be like this, maybe we go way wide. Oh, okay, that's fun. Just trying to get positions. All right. If I crouch down, is that interesting? Okay, all right, let's move back, because when I first came out, I was about down here or so, I noticed how sick the church looked. Can't go wrong with a taxi. Alright, oh, we got a guy. Oh, he's turning. Dang it. Yep. I think the cyclist might work out. Nope, just kidding. It's not gonna work out. He said, listen, I'm out of here. You're not paying me. Cause, and to that I say, I'm not your cousin. So I'm not mad about it. I just don't want you to be confused. I'm not your cousin. Imagine thinking you have a cousin and then realizing that, you know, that person is not your cousin after years of delusion. Let's end that as quickly as possible, you know? Let the hurt be as small as possible. Did they intentionally build this way so that you can see the church? That's my question. Or was it just kind of a happenstance layout? It's a great band name, by the way. Uh-oh, somebody done caught something on fire again. And nobody wants to cycle down this road. It's very strange to me. Proper food. Well, that really makes things easier. That's what I'm always looking for, is proper food. Oh baby. Oh, and we got a cyclist. Good. Yeah. All right, one more, a little tighter. I mean, closer with the cyclist. Yeah, that's good. All right.
Everything's in my closet.
Excellent. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, I think we gotta switch lenses, guys. Switchy.
Okay.
That's kind of fun. I don't mind that at all. Let's see, let's keep this one on for a second and just see if we can do something fun. Ooh, nice light. Kind of interesting. Like that red rose situation we got going on there. This crop sensor pushes this already long lens to be longer. I gotta get in the middle of the road, see how long I leave this lens on. I don't wonder if I should even go further down. This is James's church photo shoot at this point. Like, able to, I just can't squeeze in everything. Oh, just go, yeah. One issue I have with these G series lenses is that this right here, the thing you turn, the rubber, it comes off. I don't have that with my my non-G series Sony lenses. And the G series ones are more expensive, so that kind of bothers me. Oh, bus. See how that feels. Ah. I like the face. I was hoping I would maybe motion blur it a bit more, but I'm at a 400, so it's gonna be a tough ask. Yep, it's just a lot of cars. All right, we're done. Let's move along. Sorry, I've subjected you guys to hours of trying to take one photo. Oh my gosh, it's a hand. Oh, it's like a bus. That's a good way to do the outdoor dining thing. No smoking, guys. All right, we're gonna do a switcheroo. Make sure I'm all zipped up. Fox Coffee. I saw this place on the maps earlier today. A little bit curious about it. I hear you get a free Fox with every cup of coffee. So I called them. I was like, "Is that optional?" And they says, "No, it's not optional. You get the Fox." I was like, "You know what? I don't need a Fox. Thank you. I'll try another place. It doesn't give out animals with their coffee." I already have a dog. Got a baby.
It wasn't the mimosas. In the mimosas, that's.
Oh, they're doing dog training. That's fun. Let's see here. Can't quite get the dog and the person in there. Get a little bit closer. There we go. Yeah, maybe he's just petting a dog, because that's okay. There we go. Good angle.
You achieved your goal, trust me.
Who did I annoy?
I'm telling you right now.
Who did I annoy?
going to sign off. Good night. Okay, that's it for this one. If you made it this far, I really do appreciate it. Thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, there's a like button for that. If you enjoy, more than like 50% of my videos, there's a subscribe button for that as well. Please feel free to engage below. And I hope you have a lovely 24-hour period. Goodbye.